Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error cannot continue installation because another Roblox player installer is running. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to run Roblox player launcher. To do this, you just need to right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. You just need to double click on the Roblox player launcher. I hope this resolves the issue. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. The second solution is to reinstall Roblox correctly. To do this, we need to delete your installation folder first. To do this, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Now in here, you just need to search for Roblox, right click on it and delete it. And now close it off here. Again, right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type a percentage temp percentage again, click on OK. In here you just need to search for Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it. The last thing we need to do is simply uninstall Roblox. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type uninstall a program. Comes up control panel, click on open it, click on uninstall a program, search for Roblox, right click on the Roblox player and select uninstall, select yes. Now after uninstalling done, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to check my video description for this download link. Click on the download option and download it. After getting download done, install it, and hopefully this resolves the issue guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.